Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your science session. Moving further in our lesson number 1, our today's topic is balance in nature. First of all, let's understand what is meant by balance. It means maintaining equal amounts of weights on both the sides. Yesterday, we discussed that plants and animals are dependent on each other. Thus, maintaining a balance between plants and animals is very important. Plants produce food in the presence of sunlight. If all of a sudden there is an increase in the number of the animals, then the plants won't be able to supply enough food or oxygen to the animals. On the other hand, if there is a sudden decrease in the number of animals, then they would not be able to supply enough carbon dioxide for plants to make their food. Hence, we can say that it's very important that there is a balance in nature. That's all for the day. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.